Interesting facts: honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's low water content and acidic pH create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms, preserving it indefinitely. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Botanically speaking, bananas qualify as berries while strawberries do not. In botanical terms, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary, and bananas fit this definition perfectly. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe, and it's totally free.